Hey y'all, welcome back to Wine Time with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. And let's just dive right in and see if your locks are thriving or if they are plotting rebellion. Y'all see me, I'm just rambling. I'm talking throughout my bathroom because listen, I have 3 years of experience with this. So a lot of this, I'm just popping it up off of my head. So number one, healthy locks are gonna always be solid but flexible, okay? They're not gonna be stiff. And then your scalp, unlike mine right now, is not gonna be irritated and it's not gonna be dry. Also, you're going to have consistent growth. Be patient. No matter how slow the growth is, you're always going to have consistent growth. And last but not least, your locks are going to always be hydrated, unlike right now, because your girl locks are not hydrated. But I'm getting ready to take care of all that, okay? Because right now I'm showing signs of the negatives, which are you're going to have severely dry scalp and you're going to have a lot of product buildup, and that's just a bad sign. That's a sign your locks are struggling. Number two, if your locks are thinning, that is another sign that your locks are on the struggle bus. We don't want that. We do not like for our locks to be struggling, okay? And then a lack of density. If your locks are not getting fuller as your loc journey is going forward, that is a problem, my dear, okay? So you might want to consult your loctician if you aren't getting any more bulk in your lock. Last but not least, on the negatives is going to be consistent unraveling. Now, if you're just starting in your loc journey, like I was, I had some unraveling around the perimeter, around the back, you're going to get unraveling. But when I say it will be unraveling that you will definitely notice. If you unravel in the center, unraveling in other places that you just know your locks should not be unraveling, that is a sign you need to go see your loctician. Or if you did them yourself, go see a loctician. Quick. Okay, my girl? Now, y'all see me, I'm just rambling. I'm talking throughout my bathroom because listen, I have 3 years of experience with this. So a lot of this, I'm just popping it up off of my head. But here are my tips personally. If you are experiencing any of this, do not be, weirded out or don't be scared, because some of it you can't fix at home. Anything I didn't say, go talk to your loctician. You can fix it at home. But make sure that you keep a consistent schedule of hair maintenance. What I mean by that is make sure you wash your hair consistently. Make sure you are keeping the right products in your hair consistently. And when I say right products, I mean right for you. Yes, you can look at a lot of content and see what others are doing for their hair, but I always tell anyone that watches any of my content to make sure that you are paying attention to your hair and you do what's right and do what's best for your hair. Because honey, I tried a lot of things before I struck gold and figured out what was working for my hair. So do what's right and make sure you pay attention to your hair. I always say that. That's my number one thing. If your hair is flourishing because you put grease in it, because you put Loxanity in it, because you put rose water in it, because you put tea tree in it, whatever you choose to put in your hair, it is up to you. Okay. So, but just make sure you keep a maintenance schedule, So what else? Hydration is key when it comes to locks. I wholeheartedly believe in that. Spritz it with some water if you like. Spritz it with some aloe vera. Spritz it with whatever you choose, but hydration is key. Oops. Another thing that you want to do is make sure you tie your hair down at night or sleep on a satin pillowcase, because you want to make sure that you're not getting lint up in your hair, because honey, it's hard to get that lint up out of your hair. And also you want to make sure that you do not overload your hair with a lot of products. I know I was talking about products a lot in the beginning and what you choose to put on your hair, but make sure you don't overdo it while you are putting those products onto your hair too, because doing too much when you got Microlocs, baby, can lead to a whole lot of this. No, I wasn't putting a whole lot on my hair. I just have not done a lot to my hair. I haven't done anything to my hair. I haven't washed my hair in 2 months. Don't tell nobody. That's between me, you, and it. Watch for thinning. Those things that we talked about in the beginning that can happen to your hair or that you notice. Watch for thinning. Watch for your hair not getting thicker Watch for slippage, watch for holes, watch for those things after you get your retie to make sure that you can address them quickly enough with your loctician or with yourself if you are your own loctician. You fix the problem sooner than later, because if you wait too long, then the problem goes unfixable and then you lose a lock. And we don't want to lose any of our beautiful locks because we love our hair. We love our Microlocs, okay? Don't skip your reties. Do not do like me. I went 3 months this last time before I got my reties done, and that's when my sister was showing you that you can easily get holes. Don't over tighten your hair when you do get your reties, because that can cause damage to your hair. And I know this all sounds like a lot, especially if you're at the beginning stages, like don't retie too much, don't retie too less. It is a lot, but it's easy. It is easy. To me, it's still easy. Again, I like to answer any questions. So if you have any, just leave them in the comment section below. And y'all know y'all can always reach your girl on Instagram. Y'all can always email me at winedownwithlee.com. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next, what is this? What am I call this? Lockdown Wednesday. All right, y'all. I holla. Bye.